today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impression and review on the Glam Glow Bubble Face Mask. So this is what it looks like. If you're interested in learning more about this product and my experience with it, I would definitely keep on watching. I've been into such like skincare-esque like routines these last couple of weeks, so I kind of wanted to jump on this bandwagon and try out different face masks, and I thought this would be a super fun one to try out in front of you guys, which it was. And so if you guys are interested in seeing, how I really feel about this product, keep on watching. But wait, if you guys are also interested in learning about my skincare routine and what I am doing on the regular, make sure you wait until the very end of this video. I mean, like after outros, to see what I'm using, so that way you guys can kind of give me your opinion on if you like the products I'm using, or if there's a product that you guys are using that you think I should absolutely try, because I'd be totally open to that. So other than that, I will stop rambling on, just continue watching this video, and I hope you like it. So I am about to use this face mask. I kind of actually just quickly went through what products I am using for my current skincare products, but I'm going to insert that at the very end of this video, so that way you're not forced to watch it, but if you're interested, you can. So let's go ahead and get started with the skin mask. So my face is completely clean right now. I have not done anything since I got out of the shower and used my, normal face cleanser. So let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, so we're using the Glam Glow Bubblesheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask, and this is what it looks like. So I bought this from Sephora. It's $9. It seems like a pretty easy process, and I've never used like a bubble mask, so I'm pretty excited about this. So, so at the very bottom, it kind of tells you what it does. So it glows, oxygenates, detoxifies, purifies, face makeup removal. So I am really weird about my makeup. Like, I really like taking it off properly. So I don't know how I would feel about putting this mask on top of makeup, because I would feel like face masks in my mind are supposed to like open up your pores and get like all the dirt out of it. But like having makeup already sitting on there, I feel like it would just push it in a little bit more, and that kind of bothers me, not gonna lie. And so this is what this little packet looks like. And for Glam Glow, just like for the brand itself, I don't think $9 is too much to ask for. So basically, you can use this about once a week from my understanding if you wanted to, and it's supposed to give you this like 3D experience. So let's go ahead and try this out. So I have brought you guys a little closer, so let's go ahead and open this up. Pretty excited. It smells citrusy, and it's like a good citrus. It kind of just goes with the smells of everything else that I'm using in my skincare routine right now. Let's go ahead and put this on. So this is what it looks like. Let's see if you can open this. It feels good, like on my fingers. It's very saturated. Oh, it's like a little cloth. I feel like, yeah, this is like a little cloth of a face mask. Look, there's like little bubbles in here already. Okay. Please, hair, don't get in the way. I know how my hair likes to get in the way of everything. Okay, let's do this. This is cold. Okay. Oh, but refreshing. Hello. I feel crazy. Let's see if I can bring this thing down a little. Oh, here we go. So it's actually really good. So let's sit here. It says this should be on for about 3 minutes. It'll start forming within 60 seconds. So I am going to go ahead and set a timer. Do you guys see this already bubbling? Okay, that is crazy. My hands are even bubbly. So I'm just gonna rub this in and set the timer. Timer is set. Guys, this is bubbling. I kind of feel like my skin is tingling a little bit, like burning a little bit, but like I don't think it's gonna be bad. I do kind of have sensitive skin, so I will definitely let you know if there is any like rash or anything, but I really don't think it will be. I just think it's kind of like trying to do its job and clean. I can feel the bubbles forming though on the other side. It feels funny. You see this up close and personal bubble action. I kind of appreciate how quickly this face mask works. I haven't used any bubble masks before, but when you're on the go, like sometimes it's hard to put a face mask on for like 30 minutes, because I've had face masks where it takes that long. And so I appreciate this. Oh my gosh, I'm getting soap on my lip. I just need to stop talking. I'm gonna stop talking. And so now it says to remove face mask and gently Massage face with remaining cleansing bubbles. Okay, so let's do that. My face still kind of feels burny. I don't appreciate the burning feeling. But this is how many of the bubbles are left on my face. So kind of trying to move this hair. My hair is a goner. It's okay. It's okay. This is what the face mask looks like. Very, very bubbly. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna use this face mask cloth. It feels very big and bubbly. And just kind of use it to get into my skin because I can do that. I like it. I just don't like this like really cold like tingling feeling. I don't know. I thought it'd be okay with it, but I still don't. That's enough. This is a mess. I'm just going to rub that in. And it definitely feels thick on the face, all the bubbles. I'm gonna go rinse this mess with water and I will be right back. Okay, face is washed. Now we're just gonna pat it dry. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys saw about my review and my first impression over this product. Real quickly, a little recap. What I do want to say is that I do like this product. It softens your skin, it does the bubbling thing, it's really fun, but like would I use this on a weekly basis? I don't know. I don't love that tingling sensation, and like I don't know if it like really changes my skin that much where I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to use it. So that's kind of what I feel about this product. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments down below. While you're there, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up because it always means a ton to me. And you know, you can hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon button so that way you get notified every time I post, which is weekly. Also, I do want to say I am talking about my skincare routine right after this, so if you're interested in seeing what I use in the morning and what I use at night, keep on watching this video, but I will see you guys next time. Bye guys! If you guys are watching at this part of the video, just know I appreciate you, because I know you don't have to watch this, but for 2018, skincare is a big topic in my head. It's kind of one of my goals, just to kind of take my skin to the next level. And so I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys what I'm doing with my skincare routine right now. And if you guys have used these products, maybe let me know how you feel about them. And if you recommend any products, let me know how you feel about them. But I just kind of want to go ahead and do this really quickly, and so that way you guys can get an idea of what I like to do. So, number one, I got makeup on my face, it's nighttime. What do? I use my skincare wipes, or like the makeup removal wipes, but I also use it with any type of cleanser that I might have available. It just kind of depends. I don't really have a routine for taking off the actual makeup. So what I use for my makeup remover wipes are the Quate brand. And hold up, I know it's a Quate, it's Walmart brand, but don't hate. I absolutely love these makeup remover wipes. I've been using them for years, and you get so many for such a great price. But they are the exfoliating wipes, so they do have a little bit of a texture on the wipes, but that's the only exfoliating thing about them. And so I don't think it's too harmful to use on your skin every day, because I use them on my skin every day, and you know, it's fine, it's fine. And so these have cucumber, aloe, and green tea in them, and you get 60 towelettes in one of these like wipe things, but this is what the towelette actually looks like. They have, like I said, the little textures, and I think they're so great for kind of like getting really into the nitty-gritty of your skin, so that way you can pick up all the makeup. I prefer the ones like these that are textured over any other type of makeup wipes, so these are what I use to remove my makeup. Step 2, so my face has, you know, initially been cleansed of the makeup I have, but I feel like there's still a little bit of leftover, and also this step isn't part of a kit that I'm using right now. And so I'm actually using the Murad like skin brightening kit, and I got this from Ulta, this whole kit, and I bought it for like $24. Originally I believe it is $48, but they had a special, and I kind of wanted to try this kit in particular, so I was like, you know girl, new year, kit's on sale, let's do it. So this is what I'm using currently. So I take off the makeup initially, and I still want to give it another cleanse, so I use the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. And so this is what it looks like. The bottle is a pretty fairly like good size for the kit that it comes in, and I just use this twice a day, so in the morning when I first wake up, or at night as soon as I take off my makeup. So I use this, and you know, I think a little goes a long way with this product. Next step, so this is kind of when I bring in my own step, and this is something I got from my dermatologist. I would just kind of use whatever ointment or acne treatment you use, but I use the Axone treatment, and honestly I have not been to my dermatologist in a minute, but this is a product that she gave me a while back and I've been using it thoroughly. I think I'm honestly supposed to use this once a day, but I use this twice a day. I don't follow directions apparently, and so I use this after I put on that face remover, or after I wash my face with the Murad stuff. And so I do this and it just comes in a little pump and I put that all over. And then after, this is when I kind of continue like the Murad normal step system. So I have acne scars, it's not a secret, and so I try to kind of get rid of them or lighten them. And so I have the Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum, and I absolutely love this. A little goes a long way. It is very potent, but I still wish that they came with more in the kit that I use. So I can definitely see myself like repurchasing this itself. And at first I'll just kind of concentrate it right here where the acne scars are at, like the darkest, my chin, and then like by my eyebrows. And then whatever left is on my, hand I'll use. But honestly, I just use like a half a pump of this. I use this in the morning and night. And then this is kind of where it kind of this is where it kind of changes up in the morning and night. So in the morning, after I finish washing my face and putting on the serums, I put on this Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 lotion, and this is just great because it has SPF in it, so when you are walking through your day, you're not like damaging your skin even more just from the sun and the harmful rays. So I like to use this. Again, a little goes a long way. And then at night, I use the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer, and again, you just need a little bit. It comes in this pot right here, and that is about it. And all these things have a pretty fresh smell to it, kind of sweet, so nothing that like bothers me. And so far my skin actually, I really genuinely feel has seemed a lot brighter. Granted, I have been using like face mask and exfoliating my skin a little bit more just to kind of give it that extra TLC. Number one tip, drink a ton of water. I am absolutely terrible at this, and not because I don't like water, but I'm terrible at drinking any type of liquids. I just need to, hydrate myself more, so I'm working on that for like 2018 in my skincare also, but these are the products I use. So thank you so much if you watch this, and again, let me know what products that you see that you are using in the comments down below. Thank you.